Ithini-ke manje into with regards to omdunga baphinde basifasha
Mawubuza izinto ezifana nalezo. Mawubuza kumacele.
Ufika unkosikazi womosha mina ngizokujabulela kakhulu.
we're still waiting to find out if bekuya ngami. I would want Abakhonzi to come back this year. Manje-ke
Well. It turns out uMakhwela akalotsholwanga. Number 2, we have uMakhwela also finally speaking out about these baby allegations. Ukuthi umntanakhe akasoka Mr. Mseleko. We just got a bomb, guys. A bomb. It turns out uMakhwela akakalotsholwa. Like, akakalobola. Huh? So this is what people always make this misconception. Lately, I know it's part of the culture ukuthi kuyavelwa and everything. And then nowadays, they call it in Zimbabwe. Let me just talk about Zimbabwe a little bit. They call it Rora, where they all dress in these gowns. Yikho futhi okubiza abathakathi bafana like yup. Uthola umuntu ehamba phandle abamkhiphelanga ngisho lenkukhu, not even ufudu or idonki, not to mention inkomo bakithi. So umuntu ehamba phandle lapha akakakhishela anything, but they are married and everything. But we saw all those pictures on social media. You know how it goes these days. Say abantu sebenzela social media. Of course laba abakathandana scam is kind of part of their income because like it's a reality show, so we have to see everything. But I'm speaking about those abayirora laba, these new Rora things ukuthi you get matching bridesmaid gowns. What I am not the what I am. We get these TikTok challenges now. Yo guys, those were supposed to be private according to Iguti. Maybe cultures differ, but those things were private. That is when our elders went to negotiate ukuthi hayi thina umntana ethu simfundisile, umntana ethu unje, sifuna inkomo ezingaka. Then later inkomo sesihamba, because even on the case kaMakhwela, she's hoping ukuthi ilobolo yakhe gets done by the end of this year, at least by this year mele abe selotsholiwe. So you guys, what you think? Are you guys, is it shocking or it's now common? Because like this child when it's okay, people are doing lobola negotiations, then talk to it's fine now. So baby is also okay, fine, Tina's feeling comments, but we actually don't see those cows. I mean, we don't, not that we need to, but like okay, so yeah, that's it for Uthandane's Temple. I hope you guys have a great weekend.